Today, we're exploring how to cultivate a healthy attitude towards food, one that promotes physical and emotional well-being. Let's dive into some key strategies and practices for developing a positive relationship with food. Number 1, practice mindful eating. Start by practicing mindful eating, which involves paying attention to the sensory experience of eating and being fully present during meals. Take the time to savor the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food, and choose slowly to fully enjoy each bite. Avoid distractions such as screens or multitasking, and focus on nourishing your body with each meal. Number 2, listen to your body. Learn to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, rather than relying on external cues such as meal times or portion sizes. Tuning into your body's signals can help you develop a better understanding of your nutritional needs and prevent overeating or restrictive eating patterns. Number 3, embrace all foods in moderation. Adopt a balanced approach to eating that includes all food groups and allows for flexibility and enjoyment. Avoid labeling foods as good or bad and instead focus on moderation and balance. Allow yourself to enjoy a wide variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and yes, even indulgent treats in moderation. Number 4, reject diet culture and food guilt. Challenge diet culture and the pervasive messages that equate food choices with morality or worth. Reject the notion that certain foods are off limits or that you need to earn or justify what you eat. Let go of feelings of guilt or shame associated with food choices and instead focus on nourishing your body with compassion and respect. Number 5, focus on nourishment, not restriction. Shift your mindset from restrictive dieting to nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. Instead of focusing on what you can't eat, concentrate on incorporating foods that nourish and fuel your body, mind, and spirit. Choose foods that make you feel energized, satisfied, and vibrant, rather than deprived or restricted. Number 6, celebrate food as a source of joy and connection. View food as more than just fuel, but also as a source of joy, pleasure, and connection. Celebrate meals as opportunities to share delicious food with loved ones, connect with cultural traditions, and explore new flavors and cuisines. Foster positive associations with food and meal times that promote enjoyment and satisfaction. Number 7, seek professional support when needed. If you're struggling with disordered eating patterns, body image issues, or a negative relationship with food, don't hesitate to seek professional support. Registered dietitians, therapists, and other healthcare professionals can provide guidance, support, and resources to help you cultivate a healthier attitude towards food and body image. Cultivating a healthy attitude towards food involves practicing mindful eating, listening to your body, embracing all foods in moderation, rejecting diet culture and food guilt, focusing on nourishment, celebrating food as a source of joy and connection, and seeking professional support when needed. By adopting these strategies and practices, you can develop a positive relationship with food that supports your overall health and well-being.